Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, coin A is flipped 3 times and coin B is flipped 5 times. What is the probability that the number of hits obtained from flipping the 2 coins is the same? Okay. Here we have given that coin A is flipped 3 times, okay, and coin B flipped 5 times. Now the possibilities will be, firstly, number of no hits means P of 0H is, for coin A, 0 hits out of 3. It means 3C0, 1/2 to the power 3. And for coin B, 0 hit out of 5. It means 5C0, 1/2 to the power 5. Okay. Now, possibility of getting exactly 1 hit, P of 1H. So for coin A, 1 head out of 3, it means 3C1, 1/2 to the power 3. And for coin B, 1 head out of 5, it means 5C1, 1/2 to the power 5. Okay. Now possibility of getting exactly 2 heads is P of 2H. So it is 3C2, 1/2 to the power 3, 5C2, 1/2 to the power 5. Okay. And probability of getting exactly 3 hits is 3C3, 1/2 to the power 3, and 5C3, 1/2 to the power 5. Okay. Only these possibilities will be there. Now calculate this. 3C0. Firstly, calculate this common because 1/2 to the power 8 is common. So calculate first this. 1/2 to the power 8 means 1 by 2 to the power 8. It means 1 by 256. So that 1 by 256 is common. Now 3C0 and 5C0 is 1. So 1 into 1 by 256 is 1 upon 256. Now 3C1 is 3 and 5C1 is 5. 3C1 is 3 and 5C1 is 5. So it is 5 into 3 means 15 upon 256. Then 3C2 gives, 3C2 means 3C2 is 3 again, because it is 3 into 2 divided by 2 factorial. It means 3 only. And 5C2 means 10, because 5 into 3, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So we will get 5 into 4 divided by 2. It means 20 by 2 will give 10. So it is 3 into 10 means 30 divided by 256. Okay. And last one, 3C3 is again 1 and 5C3 is 10. So 10 divided by 256. Okay. 5C3 is 10. Now probability of same number of heads is probability of getting no head, it means 1 by 256, plus probability of getting exactly one head, it means 15 divided by 256, plus probability of getting exactly two heads, it means 30 divided by 256, plus probability of getting exactly three heads, it means 10 divided by 256. So it is 56 divided by, if we add all this, we will get 56 divided by 256. If we divide numerator and denominator by 8, we will get 7 divided by 32. So our correct option is option A.